Hey everybody, this is Christopher Small with CMS Law Firm. We do estate planning, we do probate, we do it well. Today I am here to talk to you about why I don't do testamentary trusts. Before I get to that though, I want to remind you, if you want to talk to us more, if you want to talk to me more, if you have questions, or if you need help with your own estate planning or probate needs, please go to estatemeeting.com, set up a time to talk with me over the phone or in person for free, estatemeeting.com. Okay, let's get to today's topic, why I don't do testamentary trusts. The main reason that I don't do them, well, there are a few reasons I don't do them, but the main reason that I don't do them is because they don't really accomplish what is often the main goal, which is to avoid probate. Okay, and also there's two main goals for trusts, revocable living trusts generally. The first, and these can be flipped, is to avoid probate. The second is to control and manage assets over the long term, usually for younger beneficiaries. So if you have kids, for example, I have a 3-year-old. If I died and my wife died right now, we would want somebody to look after that money and to continue to look after it after they turned 18, because we know what happens when you have a lot of money and you're 18. Often it is burned, and so we don't want to do that. A testamentary trust does not allow one to avoid probate, and it also kind of calls into question this ability to oversee and manage assets for the long term, because it makes the terms of the trust public. The way that a testamentary trust works is you basically roll the trust inside of the will, and when you die, you have to file your will with the county. It becomes a public record, and so everybody can see what's in there, including the terms of the trust. I don't like that. Like, again, it defeats the purpose. You have to do all of the work of creating the trust, but you miss out on basically two of the main benefits of that creating that trust, which are avoiding probate and having the privacy that a trust provides you over the long term. The reason that you don't avoid probate is because essentially what happens is your will says, when you die, create this trust. Because the trust does not exist until after you are gone, there can be no trust account. The trust doesn't actually exist. You cannot list the trust as a beneficiary on any of your accounts. So when you die, you have to go through probate in order to transfer your assets from yourself to your trust. If you create a standalone revocable living trust while you are alive, you can either transfer the assets in while you're alive or set it up so that the beneficiary designations on your account automatically dump everything into the trust, thereby avoiding probate. Now, this is my opinion only. I'm sure there are good reasons for doing testamentary trust out there, but I think often what you'll find is some of the attorneys that are out there promoting testamentary trusts are doing so hoping or figuring, I guess, that they are going to be doing your probate on the back end and basically collecting a double fee. By my recommending that you do a revocable living trust while you are alive, I'm essentially eliminating the possibility of my doing your probate, because there won't be a probate to do. And while that hurts my pocketbook potentially over the long term, I believe it is the right thing to do, and that's why I suggest it to you. So that, in a nutshell, is why I don't do testamentary trusts. If you call me and ask me to do one for you, I will tell you respectfully that I will not do that for you, because I don't think it serves any actual purpose. It doesn't help, it doesn't give you any benefit, literally zero. So I don't think you should do that. Okay, that's it. That is why I don't think you should do a testamentary trust, why I don't like testamentary trusts. Whatever the title of this video was, they're terrible. Okay, to sort of like let the cat out of the bag. But if you have more questions for me about them, if you currently have a testamentary trust and you may want to create a regular revocable living trust to take advantage of some of those things that I was talking about, please go to estatemeeting.com and set up a time to talk with me over the phone or in person for free, estatemeeting.com. Once again, I am Christopher Small. I'm the owner of CMS Law Firm. We do estate planning, we do probate, we do it well. Thank you for your time. If you like this video, please hit the like button anywhere that you can. If you know someone that needs to hear this, please share it with them. And if you are listening in a place where you can subscribe, please subscribe so you don't miss any additional information. All right. Thank you so much. Have a great day. See ya.